Hello everyone, my name is Shramika Chandak. I'm an electronics engineer by profession and a Toastmaster by passion. Have you heard of Toastmasters International before? If not, I request you to pause this video right away and go check out my previous videos where I speak about Toastmasters International in greater details and also my learnings from them. I have left the links to those videos in the description box or you can find them up here as well. Today, we are going to be chatting a bit about public speaking and its basics. I know now is not the time when we will be going out in public to give speeches or address mass gatherings. That is why I think this is the best time for us to hone our public speaking skills in a mock environment. This is the time when we should get rid of our fears and practice these skills in smaller settings. Hence, this is the perfect time when we should wipe out our jitters related to public speaking. Public speaking is a skill that can be developed with practice. It is not a talent that one is born with. I have been presenting in my Toastmasters Club Converse in the past 4 years, and now is when I feel that I'm gaining some confidence in front of an audience. In these past years, I've had several chances to address an audience of at least over 100, and each time I went onto the stage, I improved myself slightly. I strengthened myself in my public speaking fundamentals. Today, I'm going to share with you three such basics which I find helpful. And if you do too, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. As basic as it sounds, many people tend to overlook this aspect of public speaking. You will have an easier time speaking about the subject if you know it extremely well. And once you have proved yourself an authority in the subject, your audience would want to listen to you to learn something. One way to do this is to practice your presentation multiple times. One tip that my mentor and I follow are once our speech is ready or the presentation is ready, we split it up into 3 or 4 parts and we practice each part individually multiple times. This helps us to know the words of our speech, the flow of our speech thoroughly well, and it helps us to get comfortable with it. One of the reasons why Toastmasters begin with an icebreaker speech is because they speak about the topic they know extremely well themselves. Establishing your authority and the knowledge of your subject in the beginning of the speech itself will definitely guarantee you your audience's attention. Good evening, everyone. Many of you might know my name is Shramika, and I have been a member of Converse since 4 years now. I have taken the roles of MC, that is Master of Ceremony, GE, that is General Evaluator, Speaker, Speech Evaluator, Tag Team, quite a number of times. Hence, I consider myself in a good position to present to you on the meeting roles and responsibilities. Now, as quite evident from the title itself, I'm going to give you a brief intro about each role and what kind of responsibilities can come under each of them. Have a good introduction, body, and conclusion to your presentation. Again, as basic as it sounds, many people fail to take this into consideration. Imagine you're telling a story to your friend. You would have to give her an intro about the story, tell her the story itself, and then conclude, as in give a concluding remark about what you think about the story, right? So, shouldn't the same hold true when you're giving a narration to a bigger audience? Take the example of this video itself. There was a definite intro to it, the body is still going on, and I hope you watch till I conclude it. You might just want to present your topic and get done with it, but don't. People don't want to be talked at, they want to be talked with. They want to be a part of the conversation. What an audience wants is an authentic connection with their speaker, and a good way to do this is to have an honest conversation with them. Of course, this is not easy for the speaker. When we are about to speak before an audience, we are full of nerves and full of adrenaline. All we want is to just hide ourselves and to protect ourselves from everything else and to have control over everything. But what a conversation with an audience requires us is to give up this control, open ourselves up, and to let go of this self protection. One way to do this is to have a conversation which involves more around problems than solutions. But of course, this depends upon the nature of your topic of presentation. But a conversation with an audience never fails to work its magic. Then let's quickly move to the third breakout session. I'll tell you what we're going to discuss about. This is going to be a bit challenging to talk about, and especially in these times, given we are stuck where we are stuck. But I want to talk, I want you all to talk about your dream vacation goals. Now, what would you like on your dream vacation? Imagine you have all the resources, all the money you would like, and what would you want to do on this vacation? Like mine is spending just some peaceful time on a deserted island in Maldives, because coincidentally I was in Maldives last year at the same time and I just cannot stop thinking about it. I keep telling my husband that Maldives is open for tourists, let's go, but yeah, we just cannot go. So, the three basics of public speaking that we talked about today were mastering the topic, organizing your speech, and conversing with audience. Begin working with these three fundamentals and see an improvement in your audience engagement. I will be back again next week with a few more axioms of public speaking. Till then, happy learning and bye. No, don't hurry. Patience. This is the best time we can. So this is the best time we practice our skill. This is the best time we can practice. This is the best time we can practice in smaller settings and get rid of our fears. No more axioms of public of speaking. Have a good intro. Intro nahi hai, introduction. Please make sure to like my channel. Like this video.